I'm not letting you go to a place where my dear brother almost killed you.
He almost killed you too.
And we're both still alive. See? Teamwork.